we are selling the car. I don't have much more to say because I don't want to spoil anything. So if you're watching this, it should be on Saturday. I should be already out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bigger things to come.
I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out.
Alright guys, so we're on the light rail right now. It's 9 a.m. It's loud, so I can't be, I mean it's really loud and I have to be a little loud to talk, but we're running a little late. I overslept. So far, so good. I'm honestly excited for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all once we get to the airport. Alright guys, so we made it to the airport. We're about to be flying out to Montana. About 600 miles is about to be the road back. Well, it's slightly over 600. But we're getting ready to go in the terminal, get on the plane. I don't have my vlog stick, so the camera's gonna be a little bit close, but man, dude, the train was so uncomfortable. Well, it was a light rail, but it was so uncomfortable, it's insane. I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all probably once I get to Montana. Hopefully I have a safe flight. To me, Z51 C7 Corvette, bro. I'm honestly so happy and stoked. It's insane. It looks so good, especially from the rear end. The rear end's probably my favorite. I'm kind of running late right now because I talked with the guy so long, so I'm trying to just get on the road real quick. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. All right guys, so we are driving home. It is 5:35 p.m. or 6:25 depending what time zone. It's 6:25 in Montana, but we're driving to 5:25. So we got the car. I'm excited. We're driving home, and Montana looks absolutely gorgeous, man. Like, I'm gonna put in a lot of B-roll of it. It looks amazing. I saw a deer just chilling in someone's front lawn. Like, the deer are just wandering around the city. It's actually insane. Montana's great. I love it. Perfect timing too, because I'm watching Yellowstone. So, you know, got to see what all the hype is about. About to go to the train station. If you know, you know. Actually, it's right there. The train is literally right on my right side. I don't know, I'm excited. Dad's driving right now. We're supposed to switch off, but we'll see. Maybe he's gonna drive all the way. I'm excited though. The car looks great. It's a 2LT. I got the carbon dash, and it's in the 7-speed manual, so it's great. And to match, I'll put in a clip right now because I can't show you, but I have matching New Balances with the car, so it was just destined to be. I'm gonna probably update you guys when we make a stop or something, but for now it's just empty roads. Everything's been smooth sailing so far, knock on wood. Hopefully it continues to be. Alright guys, so we're at a gas station right now. We just filled up. Bro, what is that? What kind of bug is that? Dude, that thing is massive. It came out of nowhere. We just filled up for 75. Honestly, it was a pretty exhausting trip. Look how dirty the front is. From a distance, you still can't see it because it's a white car, but it's insanely dirty. Well, we got around 200 250 miles left of the road trip, and I'm pretty sure Scruffy's gonna be meeting us back in Everett, so we're about to see what's up. It's like 9 p.m. right now. We should be there around 1 a.m. so 3 more hours. Not too bad. And honestly, this thing doesn't need as much gas as the Mustang does, so that's a very big plus. It also drives a lot better too. Like, the road feel is a million times better. Really like how this is the carbon flash instead of the gloss black. It's very flaky, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys probably once we're home. All right, guys, so it is late. It's like 1:40 a.m. right now. The car is home with the Kona Blue Mustang right next to it. We got to make the car a little bit more presentable because it's extremely dirty in the front. That's what we're gonna do real quick, so we can get Scruffy's reaction to the car. Turn around, bro.
No. No.
I'm about to cry.
Now I have to get one.
Yeah, exactly.
Montana?
Yeah, from Montana. I just got back.
From Montana?
Yeah.
You're joking.
No.
Nah, literally all in one day.
No, okay. Liar.
No, I'm dead ass.
And I didn't notice.
Nah, Daniel did. He said, "Did you enjoy your flight?"
And it's better. No way. Oh, dude. Oh, this is so sick. Is it push start?
Yeah. Not weird.
I don't want to be too loud.
Yeah, it's 2 a.m. We can't be doing.
This is insane. This is actually crazy.
All right, so I showed Scruffy the car, and it is now the next day, so I could finally show you guys the car. I kind of want to go over the car with you guys, tell you guys a bit about the car, and take you on a POV drive. So to give you guys a little bit about the car, it's obviously a C7 Z51 with the 7-speed manual, like I said. Now, the owner did do some mods to it. No performance mods, but he did do the Z06 grille. It seems like he got rid of the logo in the middle, and then he also put a wheel lock on it so you can't steal the wheels. And then he also added the fins to the diffuser, which I think looked nice, and also the Z06 wicker bill. Now, the thing that I like about this owner that did this car is that he gave me everything. He gave me, you know, all the OEM parts. He never threw them out. He gave me all the receipts to everything. He gave me everything that was done to the car at shops, all the maintenance records from the first owner and him as the second owner. So everything has been, you know, like maintained and shown, every oil change, everything like that. And honestly, it's a great car. I'm in love with it. But one thing I'll tell you right now that I like over the Mustang is that they actually painted the calipers. It bugs me so much that on the Mustang the calipers are just washed out, like a washed out gray, like they weren't even painted. It looks terrible. Obviously we gotta get tint soon because this thing is a fishbowl right now otherwise. But overall, like, I'm ready to hop in and kind of just show you guys the car and how it feels, because it feels a lot different. For the most part, you guys know what it is. It's a great car, and the driving experience is really fun. Let's go ahead and hop in and talk about that. So one thing I'll instantly tell you guys about the car that I like is the rev matching feature. It's really nice. You just clutch in, push it down, and it perfectly rev matches every time. Let's go back and forth. Now, I will also say driving manual is so fun, especially once you get the hang of it. I learned how to drive a car on a manual car, but the feeling of that car was also completely different. The bite point of this car is so far out, it's honestly insane. Like, it feels like most of the pedal, most of the clutch is just like there for show, not even actually there, not gonna lie. One thing I want to change with the car is the valves, because they open up around 2,000 RPM, which I don't like that the exhaust stays closed unless it's at 2,000 RPM. The car overall feels really smooth and the handling is insanely sharp. I really like that. Like, it churns. When you move the wheel, it churns. It doesn't hesitate. There's no like playroom with the wheel. Like, my Mustang has a little bit of dead space, so like when you like do this with the wheel really quickly, when it's like close, it's pretty small, but there's a lot of dead space where like the wheel doesn't do anything in this little range. The Corvette doesn't have that. If you're turning the wheel slightly, you could literally feel it move that way, and it's so comfortable inside the car. Like the seats hug you. It's different than the Mustang, because the Mustang's comfortable because it's roomy, but this car just hugs you and it's comfortable. When I sit in the Supra, it hugs you, but it doesn't feel comfortable with the way it hugs you. Like this car holds you and it feels good. I like it. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the car's really quiet. There's a lot of arm room in the car. With the Supra, you're kind of like tucked with your arms. This car has a lot of arm room, not too much on your left side, but it has a lot of arm room. The main thing is that it's the height and the leg room and just like the way that the seat feels. I actually like it. It's definitely more closer to a Mustang. I mean, it's more closer to the Supra's feeling than the Mustangs, but it just feels right. And it's weird. I did test drive one of these in convertible, and I couldn't do a convertible one, the soft top, because it feels claustrophobic in that one, especially with the roof right behind your head. It just doesn't feel good to be in that car, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, man. I love the feeling of this car, how it feels inside, and I'm gonna be honest, the Mustang will always be the better bang for your buck and the fastest car you could probably buy if you're going to modify and boost it, especially a Gen 3 Coyote. You just slap headers on it, an E85 tune, and you're ready for boost. You literally don't need to do anything else to that car. With this car, it has a lot of NA potential. At the end of the day, I don't really care to race people on the highway and stuff like that. And I never really do it competitively anyway. It's mostly just for fun with friends, right? And keeping that in mind, I just like hitting the back roads with the cars and, you know, just carving, like that's usually what I do. It's like I just drive where there's not a lot of cars, there's a lot of turns, and I like the way that it feels. And this car gives a lot more confidence when you're turning than something like a Mustang would. It honestly feels great while turning. It's so responsive, the feeling is there. And obviously Camaro also has the better handling. It weighs more, but it also has the better handling. But it also didn't feel as comfortable. It feels good though. Like, I can't complain. I love the heads-up display too. It's so nice. It's insane to me how Chevy has had a heads-up display and the Tremec gearbox since like 05, 06 or something, and Ford has yet to install it. The Tremec only comes in the higher trim models, while it comes in the base model Corvettes, and it comes in the Camaro SS, I believe, as well. You will not get up to that type of speed in a Mustang while churning and feel confident enough to not let off the gas or something. The confidence this car gives is actually insane. All right, guys, so quickly, just to go over the car, we have the carbon fiber dash like I was telling you guys last time. It has the, you know, the engine button, the key goes into right there. I mean, it's really nice. You have your HUD display that you can control right there, move it up and down. It's pretty cool. Windows, you know, you got your button to open the door, and then you have a latch on the bottom to open if the battery dies. Your keys, your seating, memory seats, and then your passenger has their own climate display. Overall, the car is really nice. Everything's high quality. This is all leather. This is a 2LT. It's not even the highest package, but I would not get the Napa leather because it peels from the dash. Do not get a 3LT Corvette unless you're planning on just keeping it in your garage, and even then it might still bubble. The roof comes off, there's a latch right here, and then latch is underneath. It has a pretty spacious trunk. Mine's a little messy, but not too messy. But let's go ahead and get out and show you guys everything. Actually, I didn't show you guys this. The screen does go down. It has a nice little room for a SIG or a Glock in there, obviously. Yeah, so we got the hazards on. Let's go ahead and turn off the car, the parking brake is on, put it into first. The latch right here that I was talking about, it has the WeatherTech mats. I also have the OEM mats. Overall, the car looks great from the outside. I already went over the exterior mods. The Z51, I'm planning on adding a little badge here, maybe, you know, show that it's a Z51. It's going to be a tiny one because I don't think it's that big of a package. And to keep it subtle, it's going to have a little badge. Honestly, the more I have this car, the more it grows on me. Even though, like, I've always wanted one, it just keeps growing on me more. This is what the key fob looks like. Now, nobody likes how this key fob looks like, but I understand why it's like this. It's the same as a C6. The best key fob I've ever had has been from an Audi. I do not like the Mercedes key fobs. I do not like the Ford key fobs that much. Now, no remote start because this is a 7-speed manual, but if we hold this, we could open up the trunk just to show you guys. It is really spacious. It has a lot of room. It's kind of a mess back here. I have my documents that I still need. I have my camera gear, a hat for when the roof's off, and then the OEM battery tender that comes with this car, which connects to right here. They made it super simple to charge the battery. Otherwise, the battery is right under here. Now, this is my wheel lock as well as these little pucks. This is what you jack up the car on, because if you don't jack it up on this, you will break the rocker panels. Adds a little extra step. And we have this little secret compartment right here where you could put your stuff. Overall, I don't think I have any complaints. Actually, I do have one. You cannot shut the trunk without opening one of the doors or having the windows down, because the air gets trapped and it pushes the trunk back and it doesn't allow it to secure with the latch. Now, you can forcibly close it. I just don't like putting my hands on it. They have this little compartment right here. You just pull that down and it closes. Now, if we come over here to the hood and open the hood up, it's really nice that it opens this way. When Jordan tried opening it, he tried opening it the other way, but it has your LT1 engine and then your engine bay, very open. This one does have the dry sump oil system. Overall, this is probably one of the coolest looking cars when you have the hood and the trunk open. It actually looks insane, I'm not gonna lie. If my last car was being called a Transformer, this one is the Batmobile, honestly. Like, I know it's not black, but it really gives that energy. And for a tip for anyone that ends up closing these, I saw this from Corvette World. If you want to close the hood, you just, without leaving fingerprints, because it needs to latch on the left and right, you can't close it on one side or the other side won't latch, and then you have to go shove it down. So basically, the only thing I would say is just flick your thumb down in the middle and it'll perfectly close every time. Haven't had an issue. The only thing to watch out for are these sharp edges. Make sure you have long arms. If you're short, you might not be able to do that. Now, compared to the Mustang, this car has the handling. So does the Camaro, obviously. But this car looks better than a Camaro and a Mustang, in my opinion. Honestly, I'm not going to get too far into the comparisons. The Corvette is better for handling and it looks cooler, but the Mustang is probably the better daily. I can't really put my finger on it. The Mustang feels a lot more roomy. It's easier to get in and out, I feel like, to a day-to-day basis. But this car feels comfortable and secure. The higher quality materials, like, they're both comfortable in their own ways. I think the Mustang would still be a better daily. That's a BMW F80 right there, if I ever heard one. I want to thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for our next video. I'm going to be comparing this car with the Mustang because I have to. I have to get down to the little things of what both these cars offer while I still have the Mustang. And I just want to thank you guys all for watching. Thank you for your support. And yeah, I mean, we're a Corvette channel now, so honestly love this car. And it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and see you on the next one. Toodles. Bye.
Literally knew it, bro. Damn, bro, I didn't think you was actually gonna do it. I thought you were clickbait.
Like
manual too?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. What you know about that?
Jordan, no shot. No shot, bro.
Hey, it's been a while, man, alright?
Manual?
Yeah.
Don't worry,
Your bike
bro.
went so fucking far, too. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
it is.
Wow, dude, that's fucking nice.
It turns so fucking good,
I
bro.
know.
So, thoughts?
It handles really fucking nicely.
I fucking knew it. Yo, let's go. Congratulations, big dog.
Hey, you said C6 though.
I did say C6.
I still have to get it ready.
Oh my god, this bitch is clean. Montana too.
Yep.
Yeah, we gotta take some flicks, bro.
Dude, it's gonna be so crazy with the white on white.
Yo, this thing is. You got carbon fiber.
Yep. Hit the screen button, bro.
That's the Glock compartment right there.
Yep.
Get that bitch out and start shooting.